Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service to Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the tire pressure indicator of a Porsche Macan 2015 model. After changing the tire or repairing any tires, changing the wheels, you have to initialize again the tire pressure on the dashboard. Otherwise you'll get a fault on the instrument cluster. Before we start, our YouTube channel is Service to Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Give us more support by liking our videos. Any comments, any questions, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. Turn the ignition on. Then there is the menu area over here. Press a few times. Yes, this is the menu area. Once here, then we have to go through the menu by turning this wheel, find the TPM area. When here you can also press this button, press it once, and the tire type, it asks you about the tire type, it's 20 summer. Confirm by pressing it again. And then it says we have to drive for about 25 kilometers an hour to initialize the tire pressure again, and do a test drive for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then the new tire indicator, the tire pressure, will get initialized in the car. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you, and see you next time with another video. Bye bye.